Today we're making barbecue bacon and cheddar popcorn. Today we're gonna be popping some bacon and cheese and barbecue popcorn. To do that, we're using bacon and cheese signature shake by Gold Medal. We're also using barbecue popcorn seasoning by Snappy. We're gonna be including 3 cups of popcorn kernels and 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil. 3 cups of corn. When we had our popcorn shop, this flavor was really enjoyed by our customers, and it was nicknamed the Cowboy, and it just stuck, and people really enjoyed it. So we're gonna make some more of that today. If you want the Popcorn Genius recipe book, which you can get for free, there's a link down in the description, so pick that up today. And just a reminder, there's a link to all the products we're using here today down in the description as well. Oh yeah, we're starting to pop up there now. Move this around, get all those kernels, those unpopped kernels out of there. Dump these kernels in this bag. All right, we got our nice hot popcorn here. Now we're gonna sprinkle in, this is a total of 2/3 of a cup of seasoning, but we have more barbecue than we do the bacon cheddar, because the bacon cheddar is very strong. That bacon overpowers everything. So here we go. Let's sprinkle that on this nice hot popcorn. Oh yeah, you can smell that barbecue. You can smell that bacon cheddar. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. Let's get a couple pieces there. Now let's give it a try. Oh yeah. It's a very complex flavor. It's like, you definitely taste the barbecue and the bacon. We use the right quantities in this, because the bacon is just a little bit at the end. You can taste that. And the cheese kind of just brings the two flavors together. This is a great flavor. I can see why this is a favorite of many of our customers. So remember, you can make this too. So get out there and get popping.